Hey everyone, welcome to another video on Pokemon Mystery Guild. Today we're going to be talking about stats. Now, similar to pre-existing systems, you have a base stat and a modifier right here. This is the difference between the two and the formula to get them. So like for here, you have a stat that's 1. You subtract that by 5, so that's -4. Divide by 2 rounded up is -2. And that's basically goes all the way down. And the absolute maximum is 45 or plus 20 modifier. So anytime you roll a stat that requires that stat, or you make a roll that requires that stat, use this modifier and add that to your roll. And stats are, this is my Froakie info sheet. I'll explain more later on, but this is how stats are configured, and they're based off of the official games. So example with Constitution, Froakie has like I think a base 35 or 40 of HP in the game. So this is how they translate as a 4. So it's a 10th of what they are in the games. And this is how health is categorized. This is the formula, so regardless of what level you are, this is how you would configure it. So 5 plus 5 times your level plus your constitution times your level. So essentially, example, at level 1 you'd basically be 10 plus your constitution modifier, and then it just increases over time. But if you want to make a character that's level 10 right off the bat, this is the formula you make. It's much easier. The other thing that is affected by one of your stats is your travel speed, and that is your dexterity. It is 3 plus your dex mod. So everyone's going to have at bare minimum 1 space to move. So 1 square on a map or whatever. And because if you have a 1, that's a -2 modifier. So 3 minus 2, that's 1. So yes, your travel speed is dependent on your actual speed. So all you slow tanks are not going to be able to be blitzing all over the place. I'll go into further detail on how other stats are influenced, like armor class, damage bonuses, and things like that. But we're hitting the 3-minute mark, so we're gonna end things here, and then next we're gonna go over a few things like team ranks and a whole bunch of other stuff. However, if there are other specific things you want me to go over first, then let me know in the comments, and I'll shuffle the order around accordingly. So see you guys later.